In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a professional email account with Godaddy. First, navigate to your Godaddy account and locate the professional email service in the Products section. Click on the Setup button to initiate the setup process. On the next page, you'll see a list of domain names associated with your Godaddy account. Choose the domain name which you want to set up the professional email. Next, enter the username for the email address. This typically includes the first and last name of the user. Select whether the email is for yourself or someone else, and set a password for the email account. Optionally, add and update alternate email addresses and click the Create button to proceed when you're done. Once the setup is complete, access your professional email account using the Godaddy email or webmail link. Enter the email account ID and password in the login form and click Enter to log into your email account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.